Today I want to show you how easy it is to create bulk posts for Facebook, Instagram, for whatever social media you use, using ChatGPT, Canva, and any sheet document. So firstly, we've got here, I want to create Facebook posts for my eco gardening website. Obviously, whatever website or whatever social media page you are running, just put it in there instead. I want a list of 25 hints and tips that will give value to my reader, and also 25 quotes or inspirational messages about eco-friendly lifestyle and gardening. So ChatGPT is very good at coming up with these types of things. Hints and tips: use rain barrels to collect water, compost kitchen scraps to enrich your soil naturally, plant native species. That's all it needs to be. Short and sweet. These aren't going to come out too long. No. Alright. Leave the earth better than you found it. Grow flowers to fill your heart with joy and your bees with nectar. Eco-friendly living is not a... Fantastic. Okay. So all we need to do here, obviously if you needed to change anything, so he's going to take those, put them into Google Sheets. Like so. If you wanted to make any changes or adjustments, obviously just add a prompt here. Make them a little longer, although for quotes and things you don't really want them to be longer. You want them to nicely fit into the screen. So from here we've got our sheet, garden social. We go file, download as a CSV, garden social, okay. So now we jump across to Canva. So with Canva, we want to do Facebook post, Instagram post, obviously choose whichever you want to do. So we'll go a Facebook post, look for a template you like. What are we doing? Gardening, so maybe something a little bit, no, that'll do. That's not something like that. Yeah, that will work. Okay, so here we'll just delete the large text, delete that. Down here you could put your website. Oh, ecogarden.com. So what you can actually do with Canva is now you can link that text. You can click just there, link, and ecogarden.com, done. So now people can actually click on your link. Obviously, I don't know what that website actually is, so I won't click the link, but now people can see that company up here, Eco Garden. And now we have our text box here. Make that a little bit bigger because we're going to have quite a bit of text going on. Have that centered. How's that look? So I think that would do the trick. Obviously you can add any images, your logo, your photos, do whatever you like, but we're just going for a bit of speed here. So that is our general setup done. Now what we want to do is just click bulk create down here. Bulk create, upload data, garden sheet done. So now we want to go connect data, use rain barrels to collect water for your garden. Continue. So this has now got all our 49 designs here generating. We now have all of our quotes or tips added in. So these can now directly just be uploaded. Well, you can share them, download it. We'll download it as a zip file. But downloading, then just open it up and you will have all of these images which you can upload directly onto your social media accounts. So there you go. That's taken no time at all. What, 6 minutes? And you have got 50 social media posts that you can now schedule out a couple of posts a day and keep your audience engaged. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.